name is Tameron here at Tameron Hyundai, Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for showing interest in the beautiful first ever Hyundai Palisade. I got the one that you specifically asked about pulled up right behind me. I'm excited to show you. It's a 2020 Hyundai Palisade SEL all-wheel drive black on black. Let's check it out. Beautiful chromed out cascading grille, smart cruise control, LED daytime running lights. We got the headlights, 20-inch premium alloy wheels, nitrogen-filled tires, turn signal, blind spot detection, of course keyless remote entry. Let's take a look on the inside. This vehicle, as you know, has 3 rows with the captain seats in the second row. Has a sunroof, dual climate control, 8-inch touchscreen display that's equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging pad, heated passenger and driver seats, power seats, and all the safety features in the world like lane keep assist, lane departure warning, backup camera, blind spot detection, forward collision avoidance, you name it. But the best part, Mike, about our vehicles are the warranties. 5 years, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 20 year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty, and this is brand new. 3 years, 36,000 miles worth of complimentary maintenance, which includes oil filters, oil rotation, tire rotation, oil changes, and multi-point inspections. Give me a call. My name is Tameron. I'll be the one working with you. My cell phone is area code 703-505-1598. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're gonna love the way you're treated.